seafood ball, Jamaican jerk Alfredo, deep fried halibut, big class seafood, amazing, bad food. I don't know what the hell we got going on here. Oh Lord, what a freaking joke. Stupid man. Can't get that special kind of stupid. They're making a difference. Yeah. That's a noisy little bird. Here we are again, back at the beautiful beachside estate, Tweaker Del Mar. And tonight we're going to be doing a little overnight camping. No tent. Got a tarp. Got a blankie. Got my coat. And George to keep us company. But yeah, there's a possibility of snow. I don't know, it's partly cloudy and it's supposed to dip down into the teens tonight. It's what, mid-30s. Of course the sun's disappearing, so the temp's dropping quick. So yeah, I need to go for a little walk, collect some wood. Everything's still pretty freaking wet. It's not going to be an easy life. That's for damn sure. Jesus Christ. Oh, and did I mention, let's see, beer of the day is Juneau Juice. So, brewed in Juneau, oddly enough. So yeah, we got protesters. You know, free Palestine and all that. You know, I'm gonna say, you know, I bet I'd lay money that 90% of Palestinians never heard of Juneau. Everybody in town could stand out there and scream at the top of their lungs, "Stop shooting at each other." And guess what? They don't care. Neither side cares what you think or say. It's like, you know, we got enough of our own darn problems, you know. Look at the price of food. Look at the empty spots on your shelves in certain products. I mean, eggs have tripled here, you know, if you can get eggs. You know, rice. That's another one that's easily doubled or more, if you can get some. Luckily, beans are plentiful because people don't know how to cook anymore. But still, I mean, you got some serious issues at home, and you're worried about some junk over there, you know. Well, that's a rusty sort of dullness, some eye protection, because it's a good idea. Managed to find some semi-damp stuff. This isn't looking good. Well, man. The Ninja bailed. Found one more beer. His toes were cold. That happens. Especially when you're old. Yeah. Last beer. It's game over. We're in some pretty shit now. Nothing left to do but sit around the campfire and sing songs. Right, Patsy Ann? You got it.